Restech is one of the few companies that strives for the betterment of our environment by making used tires sustainable in Taiwan. And Restech is a company that cares about issues regarding renewable energy and environmental awareness. Our planet is currently facing serious environmental issues. Many industrial wastes cannot be decomposed. These non-biodegradable used tires are sitting around posing a serious threat to our environment. Restech has patented pyrolysis technology, a process of converting scrap commercial vehicle tires into value-added materials, such as carbon black char, biofuel, wire, and steam. The processed carbon black char manufactured can be used in plastic and rubber industry. Not only will it significantly reduce the cost of manufacturing raw materials, but it will also reduce carbon dioxide emissions, creating a sustainable green energy ecosystem.
After shredding the tires into pieces, the shredded tire is then delivered to the negative pressure and low temperature pyrolysis furnace. The process takes around an hour long to produce oil and carbon black. The oil will then be transported through the pipeline into a condensate tank, a sedimentation tank, and a filtration tank, and finally be transferred into a storage tank waiting to be sold. The carbon black will go through stages of processes, which includes magnetic separation, grinding, and pelleting process, and etc., which will then create the finished product, the pyrolysis carbon black, also known as the RCB. Additional oil will be delivered directly to the boiler to go through a combustion process, which will then be turned into steam and be delivered as heat source for the neighbor factories.
After the thermal cracking process on a single tire, 34% of it can produce carbon black char, while 37% of a tire can become renewable energy for oil. The rest of the 13% can then be made into steel, and the rest of the 16% can become non-condensable gas. If the reprocessed carbon black char meets the carbon standard, it can then be used in plastics, inks, and rubber-related products. It can even be used as one of the raw materials to produce new tires. The non-condensable gas can be used by nearby tire factories and chemical plants. There are already a few tire factories in Taiwan that officially uses the recycled materials provided by Enrested. patented technology process, and Restech links up the sales and application of these value-added material to the market at large, creating a new sustainable energy chain. We are all responsible for maintaining the environment for our future generation.